Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories.
Hey everyone, today I am prepping my home for the holiday season. I'm super excited about it. I literally just brought all of our old Christmas decor up from the basement. I'm gonna go through everything, see what we have, see how I can incorporate the old stuff with the new stuff I recently purchased. I am going to be switching up our theme just a little bit this year. Do you guys do the same thing? Do you switch up your theme from year to year, or do you stick with the same thing? But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna be decorating just yet, but there is going to be a huge holiday decor at the end of the video where I show you guys all the things that I recently purchased. So make sure to stay tuned for that. If you guys are in the holiday spirits, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you join my YouTube family, and let's jump right into it.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun
So this is everything that I am going to be reusing. I think I'm gonna use these flowers again, and I will have the video linked up in the cards, what I decorated or how I decorated last year for Christmas. I used these all over the tree. I picked them up from the Dollar Tree, and there was like a bunch of them together. So I want to say was 4 or 5 flowers for $1. So these are really nice, and it's like a velvety kind, so really pretty. And then I also picked these kind of like champagne reindeers up from the Dollar Tree as well. I ended up having these two kind of like gold ones, but they don't really go. So I don't think I'm gonna use these on the tree, but maybe I can use these somewhere else throughout the house. And then this is some garland that I'm thinking about possibly either putting it up on our table or even up across our piano and kind of decorate it with that, because in this bin it's like all of our Christmas little houses, all of our Christmas houses and things like that. Is it called a nativity scene? I think so, not really sure, but yeah, so I figured I would kind of incorporate this somewhere as well. And then the last thing are these wreaths. It's 3 wreaths, so I'll put 1 outside and then maybe the other 2 in the windows. And then I'll have to find something else I could put in the window as well. Okay, so I went to a couple different stores. I went to Hobby Lobby, Target, and Michael's, and just browsed to see what they had. And I did end up picking up a couple of things. By the time you guys are watching this video, go to Target because they have a sale going on for like their home decor stuff. It's 25% off, because I ended up purchasing a pillow full price, and I went back to go look for some stockings, and the pillow was 25% off. So head over to Target if you guys are still looking for anything like that. But I'll start with Target because that's what I got the most stuff from. So I saw this pillow and I thought this was super adorable. I love the coloring. I'm almost thinking about just putting it upstairs on my bed because I think it would look perfect with the pink pillows I already have. I don't really want to go all out upstairs just because no one's really going to see it. And then I also was really going for these cute little cream stockings. For the theme that I'm going with this year, it's basically black cream, and golds. And I'm gonna insert a picture of what I saw on Pinterest, and that's kind of what like gave me the idea as to what I want to go with this year. So this kind of reminded me of that. So I picked up 3 of these. When I tell you that the Target Dollar Spot Christmas decor stuff is literally, I don't want to say better than the regular Christmas stuff, but I was stuck in that section for the longest time. So I got a bunch of different things specifically for Riley, because it just kind of like reminded me of her. And I saw this cute little baking set, and I thought this would be really, really cute because she does have that like play kitchen. And then this one, which is more like Christmas themed, so it has like your gingerbread cookies and like house and all of that stuff. So I am gonna decorate her area. And then I also got this cute little Christmas plate. I thought this would be fun presenting like dinner to her. And also I really want to bake like Christmas cookies. I think that would be fun. And then I also got these like wood stars. It's actually a garland. I'm not going to use it as a garland. I'm going to literally take the stars off, and I'm thinking about just spray painting them like a nice like gold or yellow kind of color. And then they had a bunch of these little like felt ornaments. So on Pinterest, I have been seeing a ton of different like DIY, DIY Christmas trees for kids, where you can pop the like felt like ornaments and things like that. So they already have like a pack of 2 for $1. So I got, I think, 6 of them. So I'm just gonna add some Velcro to the back, and then after making the Christmas tree, she can kind of like decorate her own Christmas tree. I thought that would be really cute. And then I also picked up this like hot chocolate kind of like station. So it has like hot chocolate, your marshmallows, spoon, all of that stuff. And then this what is it, dish towel. So I picked up the one that says North Pole Milk and Cookies and Co. And then it has like a really nice red and white striped one. And then I do also have these 2 wreaths. I picked up the same ones. These are really adorable. I figured maybe I can put them on her like refrigerator area, or maybe I can even incorporate them into the windows, since I showed you guys the wreaths set that we do currently have. I just have to figure out or see how big they are in correlation, because if these are too small, then there's no point. And then I also got this cute little tree as well. I figured I would put this up on her kitchen set, and I got it in cream as well. So really, really cute. And then I picked up this cute sign that says Made with Love, Mrs. Claus Cookie and Co. Baked fresh and served nightly. So yeah, I'm gonna do a whole like decorate with me of her playroom onto Hobby Lobby. And I will say some of the stuff I'm probably going to have to, no, one of this stuff I'm gonna have to return, because I saw this cute bow and I thought that this would be really cute to have at the top of the tree. However, I was thinking in my mind that these reindeers was like a gold color, but this is more of a champagne color. So I'm gonna see what else they have. Maybe if they have like a champagne type of bow, or maybe even like a black bow. I don't know. And then I got this set of like mini trees. There was this picture I saw on Pinterest. I'll insert it somewhere on the screen. That was like a cute little display with they might have had like a little reindeer and some like candles and things like that. So maybe I'll incorporate like these little guys, but it would be like a cute like coffee table decor piece. So I got that. So I got this cute little small tree from the Dollar Tree. I've never seen it in there before. And I picked it up a while ago because I figured that this would be something that would go quick. And so that's what I'm going to use these little small ornaments to decorate this for. And the last couple things that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, I got I think I have 5 different rolls of black velvet ribbon. I am so surprised at how hard it is to find black velvet or faux suede ribbon. isn't this gorgeous? Like, I'm obsessed with it. I'm probably gonna go back there a little bit later today, once Riley gets up from her nap, return the bow and see if I can find even more of the ribbon, just because I want to decorate this and create little bows and put them all over the tree as like the black gold with the reindeer. And then there's also another kind of ornament that I'm going to be making, which I'll show you guys in a second. That, and then I really kind of want like a champagne cream white type of ornament, and you guys saw me looking in the ornament box. We don't have them at all, so I might just take a look to see what Hobby Lobby has as well. And then I also have this kind of gold rope, because I'm gonna actually be creating my own ornament from some items that I picked up from Michael's. So I picked up this huge garland from Michael's. It was it ended up being $10 because everything was 50% off. And then they had a 20% off your entire purchase coupon. So I literally spent next to nothing on it. So I figured this would be nice to decorate up the banister, where we'll also hang our stockings, just because we do not have like your traditional fireplace. So I figured that would be nice. And then I also picked up these like stars, and I know that you can use them for like gifts, or you can insert them in the tree, but what I'm actually going to do is pop all of the stars off and then use the gold ribbon, attach it to there, and also just hang those onto the tree. So that's kind of where we're going with the whole gold. And both of them, the horses and the stars, kind of have that like gold champagne type of feel and look to them. So I think it will be perfect. I also forgot to show you guys a couple of things that I picked up from Target, and these are super, super cute. So I got this also from the Target dollar spot, and it's basically these star like garland, which is so adorable. It's a rose gold. It does also come in white, and I think even black as well. So I figured I would incorporate this also into the garland up the stairs. I thought that that would be really cute. And then I got this Merry Christmas banner. I figured I would put that in the back room, where in Riley's playroom. But like literally my all-time favorite thing that I got are these adorable crowns. I picked them up from Target. How cute are these? So it comes in a pack of 4. Yeah, it comes in a pack of 4. So I got 3 packs of 4, so about 12 of these. And I'm just going to also incorporate this into the tree along with the stars and the reindeer. So I don't think I'm going to end up using the red flowers, because I think that might just be a bit much if I'm also going to be doing like actual like ornaments. So yeah, but this is like literally in my all-time favorite. So super, super cute. So that is everything that I did pick up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know when you guys start decorating for the Christmas holiday. Are you like early decorators, or do you at least wait until after the Thanksgiving holiday? Because I know everybody feels as if we kind of like skip over Thanksgiving and go straight from Halloween to Christmas. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.